You ever wondered what made Jimi Hendrix, John Mayer, and Derek Trucks all so good? It's their timing. They know how to keep time. Welcome back to the channel. In this lesson, I will teach you a few exercises to help you with your timing so that you can skyrocket in your guitar performance. I've been doing this personally for about 2 weeks now, and this has really helped me out. I've noticed a big difference in my playing. This was recommended to me by my guitar teacher, and I think this will help out a lot of y'all. So all you need is a metronome in your guitar. That's it. Just got to keep the time with it, and I'll show you some exercises. So what I have here is on Guitar Tuner. I got it on 4/4 timing with 100 beats per minute. So you can do it with any scale. It doesn't necessarily matter what scale. I'll do the pentatonic, the A minor. So y'all can see that. You just gotta get in time with the metronome. And go back. So you can keep on doing that, but when you have it down really well, you want to keep on taking it up maybe 5 BPM each time. So you could do it with any pentatonic, major, minor, doesn't matter. If you wanted to, you could even do it 3/4 timing. So like this. How I would do it is I would do triplets. So go forward 3, then come back 1. So I'll do it in time with this for you. Then you just send it back, and each of those will really help you out with your timing. If you want to add some theory into it, you could do the major scale. So the major scale I use is this one. That was me doing triplets, so y'all don't get confused. And then I'll go back. So I messed that up, I'm sorry about that, but I'll have tabs right below here. But do that, and you want to think about the numbers, the intervals. So the little theory about it, if you don't understand it, is in the major scale there are 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's a chord that associates with each. On the 8th note, it's the next octave. So I just did G, and I'll do G again. So G, G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And you can see the distance between this is a half semitone, so the 7 to the 1. And you can't see it as good here, but the 3 to the 4 is also a half semitone. So if you wanted, you could do, because that's still the same thing. So as you're thinking about that, you want to, when you hit, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. That's for each of them. If you do A like that, doesn't matter. But also, as you're doing that, there's a chord with each. So in G, you'd have G, A minor, B minor, C, D, E minor, then there'd be a C diminished here, or no, I'm sorry, there'd be an F sharp diminished, then a G, and then it keeps on repeating. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can go back, but I'm not going to get into that part. But if you at least know that part, that covers through the covers sort of like the pentatonic. And of course I'm doing this on an electric guitar, but this could be done on either the acoustic and the electric. But another thing you really want to work on is your strumming with it. I've been doing it, I probably do this 30-45 minutes a day, and it's really helped me out. My parents have even said about it. So if you do it, even if you do it 15 minutes a day, you will notice improvements. If you got good lead and not good timing, then you'll sound really wonky and stuff, and people will notice that a lot more than if you hit a wrong note in general. So with the strumming, I'm just going to, I'll flip it on the humbucker, but so let's just take G to C. I'm gonna load up on here a 4/4 time. I think I'll do 100 BPM. Yeah, let's do that. And I'm gonna strum along with it. What I always do if I do some kind of new BPM is for the first few measures, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 until I got it, and then I'll add in the intricate up and down for it. But you want to get so good at it that you can like do different strum patterns with it each measure. So like one time do 2 up strums, next time do 4 down strums and an up strum at the end. So I'll show you. That's 4, that's 3, 4. Here we go. So just like that, I was getting a little ahead, but you want to make sure that when you're doing it, you get right on the beat and don't stray away from it. If you do that, probably restart with it. But if you do that, everybody will like it a lot more and your rhythm will be a lot better. And that's really what made Hendrix and Derek Trucks and Mayer, all the great guitar legends, good. Don't get me wrong, their lead is really, really good. I like their playing. I idolize them for that, but their rhythm chops and stuff, go look at John Mayer, his neon stuff, how he keeps the time with that really sets all of them apart too. Watching, I hope this helped you out. So again with this, if you do this 15 minutes a day even, you will notice really good results. You got to stick with it though. I did it for 2 weeks, 30 minutes a day, and people have noticed drastic improvements. With this, take it nice and slow in the beginning, then work up the time on it. You want to have perfect notes before having rush notes and stuff, and you can keep on building that up. You can do 3/4 timing, 4/4 timing, 6/8, 5/8, whatever. You choose how you want to do it, and make up your own exercises. I just showed you a few that you could add some theory into, but use different scales. Like, you can make it more fun, because it's not the most fun thing, but you can make it fun if you got the right mind to it, and if you make your own exercises or something. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.